looks like we get to do a video on changing a tire. Pulling the spare tire out of the back of a Toyota Tacoma. First thing you have to do is get into the truck, probably on the rear passenger side. You're gonna see just underneath the seat, down so, is where your tools are gonna be. Go ahead and pull everything out. You'll have your jack. There's gonna be a bag with all the tools in it. Okay, go ahead and pull the bag. All right, we've got our tools pulled out. We're gonna need those three over there. We're gonna use them and we're gonna insert it into a piece just above the license plate there. And we're gonna get So I've got our three pieces that we're gonna put together to lower this tire. So we'll grab one end here. Snap. Snap. That was pretty easy. All right. Let's stick it in. All right, just above the old license plate. Hey, Mom, where's my hot cocoa? We're gonna try and stick this in here. See if we can find that sweet spot. Oh, ta-da, there she goes. We'll take our lug wrench, lock it down. Now we're gonna lower the tire. Ma, where's my hot cocoa? We got this chain here, and we're gonna just counter clockwise. Piece drops, and you pull it out. And there we go. All right, we're gonna find a good place for it. We're gonna make sure it's under the frame where it's got good support. And now we're gonna jack her up. But first we have to loosen up the lug nuts on the wheel. Not take them completely off, just loosen them. Loose enough. Let's jack her up. At this point, we can go ahead and take the lug nuts all the way off. I don't think our jack's high enough. Nope. So we need to go up with it. Ta-da. Start at this bottom. get on and snug. We'll move to the top. Notice I put the lug nuts on directly across from each other. I did the bottom and then the top, and then right to left. Now let's go in here. Let's make sure everything's tight. All right, and now she's on. Tire change for the win. Oh man. All right, that was fun. You know, I could definitely understand how somebody would come out and see that they got a flat tire and just let it ruin their day. Just let the air right on out. Even I, when I came out and saw it, it was just like, really? But then I saw an opportunity, and that was do a video, let you guys share in on this experience with me. Also, I haven't changed the tire in this truck at all. I have not pulled the jack out, lowered the spare tire, so you know it was a first for me. And I know some of you don't even know how to change a tire at all, so those of you that got to see it generally have a good idea of the steps to go through in changing a tire. So, all right, back on the road, flat tire swapped out for the win. Guys, have a great day. Yeah. So after a couple of days, I finally got the tire plugged. And so now we get to put it back on. So here's the conclusion to that video. You guys enjoy. Bye. I started right here. I'm rolling it and I'm running. I gave it one last push here and I'm running faster than it. And then I jumped and I did a somersault where you just roll, hoping I would get to my feet or around my ankle or my knees, and then I'd just catch the tire and I'd be like, hey, remember we took a tire off? Well, we're about to put it back on. Well, as I do my somersault and I can hear every bone in my body breaking, I see the tire going to your car. I'm like, okay, who's driving the tire? Because I didn't turn it right. Chuck. So, I don't think the somersault's a good idea because that hurt.
I don't think so.
I'll just...
Ready?
Hopefully it'll come to me. And
Winston.
I don't know if you guys remember last week we had a change of tire. Guess what? We got it fixed. Now we're gonna put this tire back on. Over there, they're over there. All right, this is Little Bill. This is Jack, and I'm Winston. And we're gonna fix Tacoma here. We're gonna give him some new shoes. Alrighty. Yeah, we made contact, Bill. Keep this thing turning and twisting. Once you got your tire free, I am free. We'll go ahead and continue taking these nuts rest of the way off. I learned that right there at the Bill Elliott tire changing school. Always gotta have one that wants to be a little difficult. Well, if that's the case, then I guess we'll just have to lower back down. Oh, wait. Now we only got one nut left on there, so we don't want all the weight to go on there, just enough to hopefully get that loose. Now let's get her back up. See, if we're in Daytona, we probably would have had a catastrophe. Watch this. Little Bill, wanna play fetch? Get the tire. Get the tire. Little Bill, go get the tire. Good boy. Good boy. See, I trained him not to chase tires. What stupid dog is gonna go chase a tire? Bill's not stupid. Now let's see if we can get this tire. Looky, looky, looky. Now remember, whenever I was putting on that spare, I started with the bottom, went directly across from it. So we're gonna go with the top. I'm gonna make sure they are. Make sure the tire's flush. So after we got the top and bottom, I want to discard all leaves. Don't want that stuff in there. Which actually, that reminds me of something. If I had a beer, I'll tell you the story, but whenever you have the tire off, it's a good time to go ahead and check the rotors. Check your brake pads, maybe clean out whatever dust, dead rodents you might have in the tire. Wheel well. Might want to check the shocks. I did not learn that maneuver at Bill Elliott School of Changing Tire. I've given her all she's got, Captain. All right, we're down to our last two. And for those of you that have impact wrenches, good for you. We like the manual way. Build a little muscle, maybe a little bit of character while doing this kind of work. Alrighty, we've taken it around. And what I like to call virgin tight. We'll go and lower this beast. Which way's lowering? Is it this way? Oh yeah. We are lowering. Oh yeah. Bill, you know what? You're a horrible co-worker, Bill. Selfish, inconsiderate. Little help? Bill, please? Little help? I think Bill's a millennial. Alrighty. What must come up must come down. What goes up must come down. You get it. Look at that, look at that, look at that. One-handed, one-handed. How you like them? Oh. Barnum and Bailey, where were you? Alrighty. Now before we can jump into this truck and jump houses, fly with bald eagles, we gotta tighten up these nuts. So we'll give them one good last alrighty. Tire taken off, tire plugged, tire put back on. I hope this was able to help some of you guys out there. Or if it was just purely entertainment purposes, or if you actually learned something from me, I want to thank you guys. Alrighty, let's go somewhere and see what other fun we can get into. Little Bill, in the truck. Oh, hey. Oh, video's come to an end. I'm sorry. Yeah, hey. Just willing a walking stick. Look, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hope you also learned something as well. Maybe I'll do a little video on how to whittle a walking stick. Click to subscribe and like. Let's keep this content going, all right? All right. Spread some peace and love and joy. Guys, we'll see you real soon.